Whatever you put out comes back. I'm a firm believer of that. And if unethical is what you're putting out, it's going to come back. It's a temporary deviation from who you truly are. If you're unethical, it's a temporary deviation for profit in some area of your life, but it will be subtracted in another area.
Why is it important to be ethical in business? Maybe 1 minute or less.
The thing is that I believe karma follows us. And we know things have happened in other people's lives and we went, that's karma coming back to them. But again, whatever you put out comes back. I'm a firm believer of that. And if unethical is what you're putting out, it's going to come back. It's a temporary deviation from who you truly are. If you're unethical, it's a temporary deviation for profit in some area of your life, but it will be subtracted in another area. And most people don't understand the yin yang kind of deal. They go, oh yeah, I'm just going to go take advantage of all of these people. And then you wonder why your personal life is completely empty, or you wonder why you are the victim of somebody else being unethical. And I'm like, it's just the way it works out.
You know, by the way, I hate to go back to Clubhouse question, but the things that I learned on Clubhouse that I never talk about, like right now, is this psychology and behavioral things, like this conversation on ethics. People wonder why they're stuck in a room with other con artists in a room of 30 people and under, and they can't get in any rooms bigger than that because they're blocked in all the rooms.
Oh yeah.
They wonder why. It's the same idea in business. Like if you keep robbing people and conning people and doing all the bad things over and over,
yep.
Bridge blocked. This bridge is falling down. This bridge is falling down. You're getting roadblocked everywhere, and they're putting.
You're on an island.
Yeah, you're on an island, man. Like, and it's the same analogy, but we get to watch it happen faster on Clubhouse. It's like an experiment, social experiment, right?
True. The person who joins the stage and then just cuts everybody else off to promote themselves. Yeah. And you're like, what just happened? What just happened? My answer is, it's in the bio. Go read my bio if you want to know who I am, what's going on. Yeah.